Chinese girl named Wei drawing a flower she saw in her father's diary. Her dad says that it's called a Coors flower, which makes it so smelly to attract flies. We also noticed that both of them have a strange scar on their faces, which appears to be genetic. Dad, who's a scientist, claims that he needs to work on something that will heal both of their faces. Afterward, Dad collects a serum he has created and injects it into a piece of animal skin.
Ay, di tayo magsaing, may bahaw.
Places the skin on his scar,
Di na
which
magsaing.
surprisingly begins to heal.
Meron na kaming
This
bahaw.
makes him really happy, and it appears the experiment has worked.
Wala naman ikaw ulam namin yan. Malaking ulam, yan lang.
The skin begins to grow
Oh
uncontrollably,
no!
almost covering his entire face. Struggling to breath, Dad cuts it off with a
Oh no, guys! Ito na ba guys ang ano ko? Oh. Alright. Whew. Ito ang ating isang cellphone di nag-charge. Maayos na tong cellphone na isa, hindi nag-charge. Ayan, palitan ng battery guys. Saka itong mga gamit ko guys. Yung isa ko monitor yun, malaki. Ito naman, monitor ko na isa. Maliit. Saka itong CPU nya. Ito naman yung amplifier ko. Saka yung amplifier sa baba, isa pa rin amplifier. Saka andito ang amplifier ko pa na isa. Sa sound system ko yan, mini sound system ko guys. Saka nandito yung mga ano ko, gamit ko. Stand, saka mga ilaw, nandiyan po. Yan. Dito naman yung processor niyan. Saka nasa loob nito. Tapos ito naman yung mini mixer ko.
Sana all.
Mixer. Saka yung sa ilaw ko. Ayan. Running light. Pang running light. Yan. Oh. Thank you guys. Salamat. Yan lang.